Hi po! Ito talaga si husband Afam, mahilig sa sorpresa. Dinala niya ako dito. Akala ko naman, clinic ng mga aso. Kasi pagpasok pa lang namin, may aso na dun sa labas kanina. Yun pala, retro dine-in pala to. Super cute! Pink na pink sa labas. Inside the trailer. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Pink na pink. Wow! So pink. Hi, good.
So cute. Look at your cute little coffee cup.
Yeah. Nice.
Because of all the pink walls and ceiling, the colors are kind of weird, but people's face is kind of weird. But it's just a little trailer.
See that?
Little donut door. So you're looking at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 can seat.
Oh.
French fries.
Hi.
Oh, yatta.
Hi. Hello. Wow, that's my food. Garlic.
Garlic shrimp.
Yung food na ordering nyo, sa likod nila niluluto. Pero yung coffee, tsaka yung donut yata dito na siya sa loob ng trailer. Yan ang tinatawag. Oh, ang ganda. Wow. And of course, toilet check tayo. Wow. Pink. Pati yung pink. And this place is located at Route 16. Nasa left side siya kung papunta ka ng Don Quixote, Fusa. Kawaii. Thank you po.